everyone, we are here. Today in this video I am going to show you how I created this trending video Nameart under a ring light. For that you need an application named Light Motion. The app link is in the description. It is a pro mode APK. It does not contain any watermark. Click this plus icon after entering into this application. Create a project with black background. After entering it into it, click on this plus icon, click on this image and video and select the video, this video. Its link is in the description box. I will provide you there. It's a total of 29-second video. I will choose 15 seconds of length for this tutorial. It's totally a green color based video. So now I will turn it into multicolor ring light. For that I am going to add an effect. Go to this effects section, add effect, click on that and choose color and light in the first one, and then click on this hue shift. Yes, set the standard settings and make sure that you are at the starting point of the video and give an keyframe here. This is called as a keyframe, and roll forward, set somewhere before 2 seconds of the video and give another keyframe there and roll it until this turns into 4x. Roll it. Yes, we are in the 4x now. I will show you the difference. Here it is. Wow, it is changing the color. Before we saw only green color, but now it is a multicolored ring light, right? This looks awesome. Yes, after that I am going to add text. For that I need a new layer. Click on the plus icon, add text, and I will enter my name here. And this represents fonts. All fonts, make sure that you are in the handwriting category and select this fifth one, and you can set the size a part of your video and choose the black color. Yes, done. Click on the tick. Now I am going to expand the text until the last of the video. Yes, and that's it. Now we should add that effect for this text. So I am going to add the effect. Click on the effect plus add effect, select the drawing and edge, this one, drawing progress, select that, set the standard settings, make sure that you are again at the starting point of the video, and now click on this end button, give a keyframe here, plus icon, and then roll it from 100 to 00, set somewhere before 2 seconds of the video ends. Give another keyframe here. I will do something. अबे ये क्या हुआ? Yes, it is all set now. I will show you. And now this is the video everyone needed. Like this we can make a name art. This is so amazing. You can also set your names like this. You can also edit this. So you can also add extra emojis for the videos. I will show you an example. Go to layer plus icon, click text and add a butterfly. I am just showing an example. Make everything as black because for the better experience. set the size and click here. I will set it as the point of I, letter I, and yeah, it is perfect. Now I will extend this until the end of the video. I think I made it. Now I am going to add an effect. For an example, these all are the effects. I will add a random effect for you. Auto shake, I will add this. Set the standard settings, magnitude, speed. You will get a confusion here. So magnitude means moving backward. See, moving backward, the object is moving backward, so magnitude means moving backward. Speed, and next one is speed. Speed means the object moves in the speed. You all know that. Evolution means moving frontward. Okay, now you can set as per your settings, and let me see how it is. Not that perfect, but randomly I have chosen this, and there are many effects you can choose. So like that you can create the Nameart and other emojis. And yeah, thanks for watching. Keep supporting, like, share, comment, and keep supporting. Thank you and take care. Bye bye guys.